Hey everyone, what is metaprompting? We all know prompting, right? So, what is metaprompting? Metaprompting is one of the advanced prompting technique. It's like instead of asking the model what to do, we're asking like come up with how to do it in a better way, like how to give the prompt in a better way. Like instead of we creating our own prompt with the help of LLM, we are creating the better prompt in simple terms. I'll give you an example, a real life example. Let's say you are living in Hyderabad, so you can ask uh, a query to the model like write a poem about Hyderabad. That is normal prompting. But what is meta prompting is with the help of meta prompting, LLM can give like you can specify the thing like I want to write a poem about Hyderabad, so include the main things like Hyderabad, like Charminar, Birla Mandir, and all those things. Then the model will understand it can give you a better structured way. So that is nothing but a meta prompting. So normal prompting, it's one of the advanced technique compared to normal prompting. In normal prompting, you'll mention like what you want, like okay, do this. So with this meta prompting, you are asking the model to give you some better prompt and so that you can get the better results. So this thing will be very helpful when you're doing some agentic applications at the time. So you don't know like you can't use the specific standard prompt, right? So the model has to generate its own prompt according to the scenarios, according to the conditions at that time, so you can implement this technique meta prompting. So majorly it includes structure and it includes like proper examples and versatile, and it clearly give the categories like let's say in this example, let's take another example. So normally we will ask like okay, explain fast API, but with meta prompting what you can do is like explain fast API in 3 lines. It has to be user friendly and you have to provide the real life example. So if you consider this, so normal instead of asking directly explain about fast API or compare to this prompt like explain about fast API in 3 lines and hmm, it has to be beginner friendly and you have to include a real life example. So if you look at this, this was very structured and also it is clearly explained what it has to do in a step by step manner, so proper syntax and proper abstract. So that's why compared to normal prompting, this meta prompting is really useful, and you can explain the better things like this, like you can give the proper structure and what are the steps it has to follow, what are the things it has to follow. So that is nothing but meta prompting. I hope you got some clarity regarding meta prompting. We'll see the next things in the next tutorials. Thank you.